Welcome back everyone to Data Science for Everyone. Today we're going to be looking at plotting with categorical variables with matplotlib. Let's get started. So this is the second installment of plotting with categorical variables with matplotlib. Now we're going to show you how to work with both axes utilizing some data. And so let's say that you have maybe two kids. Okay, so we have maybe you have a boy and you have a girl, okay? And you want to track out their kind of their happiness levels with activities that they're doing throughout the day. Okay, so you have either they are bored or they are happy. Whoops, and that doesn't work either. And so let's say that bored, happy, bored, bored, happy, bored. Okay, let's do another one here for the girl, and she is happy, happy. Oops, I want a couple more of those. Happy, happy, bored, happy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have enough of those? Let's see. 4, 5, 6. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's give one more. Okay, and let's also give some activities. Okay, and so this is something like so you also have whether they're happy at breakfast. Breakfast, reading, board games, snack, nap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just say that this is game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's do bath time. Okay. So figure axis plt dot sub plots, and then we want axis plot here, and we want the activity. We want whether it's the boy. Label is going to be the boy. Axis dot plot activity. The girl. Label is equal to girl. Axis legend, and then let's do plt.show. So here you can see that there's a nice kind of there's overlap here where they enjoy or dislike things at the same time. Here you can see that one is happy across breakfast and reading. One is bored at reading. One is happy at reading. One is bored at games. So you can see that you can be able to compare these two items relatively easily through this, okay? And that is using multiple uses of categorical variables, okay? So we have actually 3 categorical variables going on here at the same time. If you guys like this, please comment, subscribe, and hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.